To upload audio to Suno AI is easy. All you need to do is simply go ahead and select Library, and then from here you're going to select Add Audio. Next, going to choose the option Upload, and from here just go ahead and find the audio that you wish to upload and select Open. Once you do that, you do need to agree to the terms of service, so just select Agree, and then all you need to do now is simply choose what category you want to select this audio as, whether full song, voice, loop, sample, sound effect, recording, spoken word, instrument, song demo, all sorts of things. So go ahead and choose something that suits your category or categorization. And then once you do that, you're just going to select continue. From here, you then want to describe your audio. It will analyze your audio as it tries to give you a description. So you can choose to continue with that, or you can choose to skip. And then once it's been successfully uploaded, you should be able to see it under library. So if you were to go to library here, and then you were to go to songs, you should be able to see your song has been successfully uploaded. Now you can be able to remix it, customize it, and do all sorts of things while it's in Suno. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.